Now we must ask ourselves as we are gathered here, how can we honor the life and the memory of Jesse Jackson? We honor him by carrying forward the values that he lived for: justice, dignity, equality, by committing to a lifetime of service to others, by showing up when others look away from injustice, when they fear to stand up to power, and when they walk away from suffering, by pledging solidarity and using every opportunity to support the just struggle of others, and by ensuring that there is justice for all, by keeping hope alive, what Jesse Jackson taught us. Today we honor a man whose voice stirred the conscience of leaders and ordinary people, whose courage strengthened movements across the world, and whose faith never wavered, even when the road was long and difficult. To our mother, Jacqueline Jackson, to his children, we would like to say the following. We, as the people of South Africa, are here to say thank you. The African National Congress, the organization I lead, with which Jesse Jackson worked closely with, also says thank you. We are here not only in mourning, but in gratitude, deep, abiding, and unrepayable gratitude. You gave us your husband, your father, your patriarch. You shared him across an ocean and across continents, across marches and prison gates and inauguration days. When South Africa needed a friend in the corridors of power, you allowed Jesse Jackson to be that friend.